Welcome to one of our beautiful greenhouses.
歡迎嚟到Young Living 呢度高原農場嘅其中一間嘅溫室。
In this particular greenhouse, we have about 10,000 blue spruce seedlings.
呢度咧其實有差唔多1萬棵嘅藍雲杉嘅 BB。
1 year so baby，
1 year old.
係啦，1歲大嘅，種咗1年㗎啦，但係好細。
Usually we have snow in January, but we could be planting trees right now.
但係通常咧1月咧喺呢度咧係有好多雪嘅，但係因為咧而家咧咁暖咧，其實我哋已經可以咧係開始咧係種植新嘅樹苗啦。
But we're going to plant in April. Some of these, and some of them we're going to let grow one more year before we plant them.
但係通常咧佢哋係4月嘅時間先至去種落去個地度嘅，咁但係而家咧因為咁暖嘅關係咧，咁所以咧我哋就有機會可以咧去種佢哋啦。
So today you all can help us plant a few trays of blue spruce seeds.
今日咧，我哋有機會咧係將藍雲杉嘅種子咧係去擺落去個泥土去種植嘅。
And if you can make it back for winter harvest next year, you will see them growing here.
如果大家1年後再翻嚟嘅話咧，就會變成咁樣㗎啦。
This is also where we start our hemp, but we don't plant those seeds until April.
咁呢度咧同樣嘅地方咧就係我哋咧Young Living 嘅hemp 係咪都係大麻？係啦，大麻嘅種植場，但係咧佢呢個大麻咧係冇嗰個 THC 嘅，冇嗰個嘅令到個人興奮嗰個狀態嗰隻嘅大麻嚟嘅。咁係叫咩分話？大麻2分係啦。咁就所以咧通常咧佢就係用呢個地方咧係種植，咁就大概係4月嘅時間。I added a little bit, you can tell.
Okay. The field where we plant the hemp is actually just outside here.
咁咧嗰個種植場咧就係啱啱喺隔離嗰個，咁我哋陣間會去望下嘅。
And we will transplant those in May and June and harvest them in September because they grow very fast.
咁佢喺呢度個 BB 嘅叫做育嬰室啦，係咪啊叫做？咁咧係4月咧就種種子啦，跟住咧好快就已經長大到5月6月咧就可以咧擺落去個田度，然後August right harvest September 9月咧就可以收割㗎啦，好快嘅 ，it's like a few months。Wow.
That's it. And we plant so many seeds that sometimes the seeds will fall in here, and so there may be some hemp plants still in here on the ground, and I can point those out.
咁所以咧佢因為喺呢度種植嘅關係咧，有陣時唔小心咧跌咗啲種子咧落去個地下，咁可能咧佢又唔小心咧就種咗出嚟，咁所以咧阿 Michael 見到嘅話咧，可能佢都會指俾我哋睇下。
But we should plant some seeds and then go to 0
OK， 咁我哋快脆咧去種嗰個藍雲杉啦。好。呢度咧有4個咁樣嘅盤啦。咁呢啲咧就係藍雲杉嘅種子啦。
And we're just going to drop a few of them in a roll.
一行咧就幾粒咁樣啦，好似沈芝麻係。
呢啲係廚娘。
Just like cooking。
Like spikes, huh?
係。
And
咁
we
我
work our
哋
way across.
係啦，我哋每人就可以有機會咁樣
And
滲
cover
啦。
them with some more soil.
跟住然之後再將啲泥咧冚住佢，咁就搞掂㗎啦。OK， 好，我哋輪流可以試下。
And it's all blue spruce.
會唔會
OK，
太
呢啲全部都係藍雲杉。
會唔會太密啊？驚唔驚㗎？冇㗎。
佢見到佢慢慢佢見到有苗出嚟咧，跟住就會再移植先個盤嘅。係啊，唔係粒粒都係生長。
啲種子喺邊度嚟？
Where does the seeds come from?
They were harvested in New Mexico.
But how do you harvest it? Where in the plant?
So once the trees reach about 20 to 25 years old, the seeds are viable, so the cones are up actually quite high.
OK 啊，原來咧，當嗰啲南雲杉樹咧去到20到25年啦，種到咁上下咧，佢哋開始咧有嗰啲空啊，嗰啲英文叫咩啊？嚇，松果係啦，松果嗰啲咁樣啦。咁嗰啲種子咧就係喺嗰度出嚟㗎啦。咁呢個咧就係佢哋喺另外一度去買嘅，係啦。咁啊，大家可以試下輪流。其實我都唔知擺咗喺邊啊，你哋。咁佢而家咧就喺度揼緊啲泥上去遮翻頭先揼咗嗰啲嘅種子啦。咁然後就揼完啲泥咧，跟住就可以加水㗎啦。穿窿嘅，因為。
仲有冇人要什啊？你停咗就會有㗎啦。係啊。
淋咁多水㗎？
咁多水嘅？
我唔係。
而家係教。唔係喎。
都好多喎，都好多。
係咯。
係啊，淋咁多水。哇！